Following the tragic incident in the Worli area of Mumbai, the husband of a deceased woman, Pradeep Nakhwa, questioned the delay in arrest of the accused Mihir Shah and said that his wife was dragged from CJ house for over 100 meters. Let's in fact listen in.
संडे के यानी जो बाहर रहता है ना मच्छी खाने का, उसी टाइम पे हम लोग मच्छी खरीदने के लिए मार्केट जाते, क्रॉपमीट मार्केट। वही हिसाब से हम रूटिंग करके संडे के दिन मार्केट सवेरे 4 बजे निकले। 4 बजे मार्केट निकले, उसके बाद में उधर मच्छी खरीदा। मच्छी खरीदने के बाद हम लोग क्रॉपमीट अपना पेडर रोड के इधर से धीमे एकदम स्लो स्पीड से कम पर स्पीड 35 का रहता है, 35-40 की स्पीड से हम लोग आ रहे थे। हम लोग बातें करते आ रहे थे किनारे से। मैं गाड़ी चला रहा था, औरत पीछे बैठी थी। हम लोग को पता नहीं चला, इतने जोर से गाड़ी आई और धार से आवाज आया। हम लोग ये हो गए, पागल हो गए। हम लोग दोनों हवा में उड़ गए। हवा में उड़ने के बाद उसके बोनेट पे गिर गए। बोनेट के गिरने के बाद उसने जो ब्रेक लगाया, तो ब्रेक के बाद मैं लेफ्ट में गिर गया पूरा, और मेरी औरत उसके चक्के के इधर गिर गई। चक्के के इधर गिरने के बाद वो रुका नहीं। मैं उसको ठोका, उसको देखा, वो रुका नहीं। इतने जोर से गाड़ी चलाया कि चक्के का धुआं आ गया। पीछे वाला चक्का ऐसा घूम रहा है, ऐसा इतना स्पीड में उसको खींच के लेके गया। तो अब मैं सीजा उसकी तरफ एक्सीडेंट हो गया मेरा, सीजा उसकी तरफ से अब सीलिंग की तरफ। बताओ उसका क्या हो गया होगा।
So, of course, viewers, there you heard it. Meanwhile, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Pratimesh. Pratimesh, of course, now Pradeep Nakhwa, who's the husband of Kavita, who's unfortunately passed away in this incident, has described exactly what happened. If you could take our viewers through the latest that's coming in as far as this BMW car crash is concerned. Give our viewers the latest that's coming in and give our viewers an understanding on what exactly is stated and shared.
Yes, correct. The way police is doing the investigation on this place, as on the Sunday at morning 5:30, this incident took place in near Worli, and after this incident took place, the one female has been died named Kavita, and after that soon the police came into the action. It has been said that the car which was been hit by the two-wheeler was the car was of Shiv Sena leader. So after that the arrest happened. The two people were detained over there, and after that they were present in front of the court. Then after that the Mihir Shah, who was driving the vehicle, it has been said that Mihir Shah was driving the vehicle, but he is missing, and after that police is still tracing. The 6 team is been formed by the Mumbai police, and after that soon this 6 team is tracing the Mihir Shah, and as the Mumbai police is not just tracing in Mumbai as well, but Mumbai police is also tracing in Gujarat, because as the Mumbai police has also issued that he can't leave the country as well. So Mumbai police has deployed their forces on airport as well. So as soon as he will be traced, as he has switched off his phone in Borivali, the police has traced his phone, but it was been switched off in Borivali. As the day before yesterday, like on the Saturday night, he has been went to a bar, and there he spent around 18,000, and he drank alcohol also over there. So after that was he in the alcohol state while driving. So everything will be investigation. Still the investigation is now taking place. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.